Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix notification not working on iPhone iPad. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. First of all, you have to open your settings and check Wi-Fi connection. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. And after this, go back. Scroll it down, tap on notification, tap on show preview and select always and go back, scroll it down, tap on app store and turn on all notification, tap on calendar and turn on all notification, tap on message and turn on all notification. And tap on screen time, scroll it down, tap on contact privacy restriction and turn off contact privacy restriction and go back. After this your problem still not solved, then restart your iPhone. Solve your problem will be fixed. After doing all steps, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.